Abusua se wo hwa video ya etwa gu ya abusua enye baabi ya eye kurom Ghana ena nsuo age ye kwan ene ye dan nyina aboso a esesa amanfo nema afiri omufie ede akono ne nyina eye nsuo a eto endra wate ase nsu kese ya eto yi ena ede saa nema nyina aba a sesi ano obi o wone dan oni dan wa wo ka oni ka wate ase cause nsuo na age baabi a ashata baabi a this the time I was empanifo no hu say nsuo eto a every year bia nsuo to a ese niema into solution na wasan komo fani no this is the time I also muhu what you say because Ghana every year bia nsu kese bia beto bia no se enko nipa ese niema what you say ende nipa miensa na yate se omo awu na I think say wo mu aye behu nkrofo a omo nso eden awu omo ka ho abusia nti se wo hwe video na etwa gu na eye Ghana Accra ena nsuo yi eyida fa amanfo sana abusia yenhwe ye content creator a Kojo Sheldon ono so de na oka abrana nsuo no agene dan ono so be kasa ye yentie de oka.
Well guys, our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. So we never go. Yeah, what I don't know before. No one else is going to do that. Let's go.
We sue the eye Kojo Sheldon ne dan ya nsuo afa ne dan ono nso ebi aka no wate ase na abusua enya ono nko on amanfo a omo dan nsuo afa omo dan ene sede nsuo no eye ankasa abusua ese wani utumi ho se nsuo na toye ne de ano ohye na abusua yenhwe other videos a de eno nso etwa gu e wo de side emra yenkohwe ni nyina de wa nsuo no ekali amanfo Pantang ene ade no yes ultimi say pressure na ewo nsuo no mu Ghana water krampo omo water no kra entisa yes Ghana water omo nya da pressure na ultimi say anka betumi aba adwuma na abusua ye nhwe de ekoso ewo ho
no That's the power of water. Serious flood. Hey! My area was here Fulani. Serious flood. Hey! Hey! God!
Hey, this is serious. But what cars the best side? Then we walk out on to me. Hey, Baba Topo, why Baba Topo? Hey, hey, I didn't hear serious. Hey.
So I'm on the roof at my house, but from what I'm seeing, it's only this area that is flooded, only this line. Because if I look ahead, That is a man from that place is not flooded. It's like it slopes down here, and this side too also slopes down here, and there's a gutter. So it's the gutter that is supposed to take the water away, and the gutter is flooded. Oh, gutter ne yiri, and I gutter no na akosi because this place obitim, that is a wall, obifi wall. This wall is high. It's not that low. It's only level no do. Aba be pem top. Oh, dua kese. Oh, it's a dua kese no. See how it has become. The top. This is a bridge. Obi bridge a wire over the gutter. A spot. There's a bridge here. I depend if I should feel. A spot. Oh, so we are. I would say I'm even lucky because me feel and said I'm back here. But then I'm more say only in and so na come them honina. And that is the problem you are facing right now at Ashie. In Sione line and Honum. Yes. I have to get down, it's getting strong. So now I heading. See. Oh, no. This is bad. This is so bad. This is so bad.
Na wo hwe de etwagu na eye nsuo na asisia no age Ghana aboso no age ye capital city na ye de tu ye ho no age aboso no. This is the time I was mpanifo na omote ye capital city no I was so ye kuro ni yie no. This is the time every year bia nsuo to a ese bibi wo hwe de wa nsuo aflade age ba bia no otumi hu se Ghana ye nye save se de na America na ye nye save because ye save nsuo to every year bia problem see ya na eba enti wo so mo find solution abusunya aha na mede obesi mesa so be subscribe na wa share ama afofran so anya bi atie abusunya kete wo se enye do do nwura makra bye bye.